Bigger than my sister cried at the home.
You did it.
The things you do for your job.
Yeah. Okay.
Whatever happened to that kid you were supposed to mention?
Okay. Here we go, Amanda. The big day.
Me?
Round
You
me.
gotta stand on the chair.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Where do you
god.
see out of?
Ready?
What am I supposed to do?
Come this way.
Can you see?
Look, you look great. You look the best I've ever seen anyone look in that thing.
Yeah, because he's tall enough. Watch your feet. You gotta watch.
There's something wrong. Oh my god, he's got everybody.
I don't know. I don't know.
Erica, say hi.
Come to the game today.
Yeah. Start Erica. The softball team's coming.
Yeah.
Look.